All right, what's up, guys? Back with box number 2 of the Top Finest that I picked up from the National. Cut right into the mini boxes. Again, Topps takes the wrapper off when you redeem them for the packs. So we'll get right into box 1. My first box I'm pretty happy with. Got a PC hit, so check that video out. And we'll get right into this, box number 2. Kyle Tucker, Anthony Rizzo, Prize Performer Syndergaard, Kershaw, and Yelich. I actually got just about that same pack in the last box. D. Gordon, Eric Hosmer, Joey Gallo, Ohtani, Danny Jansen rookie. Pack number 3, Gregory Polanco, Charlie Blackmon, Ozzie Albies blue chip, Luis Urias, and Chance Adams. I got Byron Buxton, Aaron Judge, a green Chris Shaw, numbered 39 and 99. Be our first auto. Ramon Laureano and Josh Hader. All right, Jose Ramirez, Zach Greinke, Xander Bogaerts, David Peralta, and Starlin Castro. These packs are almost the same, seems like. Justin Smoke, Carlos Correa, Lindor blue chip, Aaron Nola, Joey Votto. All right. That's a wrap on the first mini box. Let's get into number 2 here. Hope this one's better to me than the first one. All right. All right, Ronald Guzman, Whit Merrifield, Prize Performers, Justin Smoke, Gleyber Torres, and Jake Bauers. So at least that one was a little different. All right, Rowdy Tellez, Kyle Wright, Rowdy Tellez, Finest Firsts, Ryan Borucki, and Matt Olson. I'll go through after when it's off camera and get the refractors and stuff out. Cedric Mullins, Trey Turner, Austin Meadows blue chip, Javi Baez, and Robinson Cano. All right, Willie Adames, Nolan Arenado, man, Steven Duggar. Kind of like how he does it with the signature. Just a base auto. Maikel Franco and Scooter Gennett. That's kind of a rough one here. Last two packs. J.D. Martinez, Brandon Crawford, Noah Syndergaard. Oh, that's cool. Shohei Ohtani, 25 of 250. That's a cool one. And Max Kepler. That Ohtani looks good. The purples look really good. All right, last pack. Chris Davis, Willens Estudillo, Ahmed Rosario Blue Chip, Brian Anderson, and Buster Posey. So really not a lot going on in that box at all. I got Shohei, 25 of 250, which actually I think is the best card. Now I got a Steven Duggar, base auto, and Chris Shaw, 39 of 99. At least their signatures look decent, though. Duggar's pen drug a little bit on there, but still looks nice. But, all right, guys, that's it for my second box of Finest. Thanks for watching. Later.